Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mia and let's see what's happening today. So I'm gonna show you my first experience in a dollar shop, and that's so much different from what I'm used to in Ukraine. I just came here to US a few weeks ago and I'm still not used to it. It's so different. So let's see how it was my experience with my American friends. So it's my first experience with $1 shop.
Oh, I recognize these. Oh, I do too. I wish they were not in red.
American
I wish they were like
friends.
at least this. So don't you need more than two? Yeah, I do.
Hey guys, we are at $1.25 store, and everything you get here you pay only $1.25.
I don't know. Okay, you want to see my picture? Look, sure. Here's the picture.
You can even buy this. It has a bow tie to decorate your home in a better way. It's easy to do and it will make a fresh look on your kitchen or whatever you like. Oh, that's so cool. Look how cute is that? And it's all for $1.25. They even sell chocolate here and candies, cables, glasses. So I got a bunch of stuff.